bleeding.
I'm scared. Guess they don't like white socks.
No. Ah! No, she knows better. She's going to go peck the one that's already bleeding.
Here we go, those toes.
Come on, Cynthia. Glasses. Hey, Sonia. Hi. Smile for the camera. Smile. She's orange all over her face.
Yeah.
No? You don't like being held that way? I'm sorry. Here, have that. Go up high. You pecking your way out of this? Wait. She's swimming.
Backwards.
So what is this? Oh, we were going to call her Hunchback, right?
Yeah.
Ooh. She's so gentle. That one's not.
Almost got your finger again.